to putting it into the turn, and then how you transition to the next, and all that.
Definitely. I'm running all season, so my car's not as sticky as it should be. But
Okay.
It will. The back end will kick out.
Yeah.
Because these things tend to oversteer a lot. They call them snap oversteer.
Right.
So yeah.
Does this have sort of that 50-50?
No.
No.
It's more weight in the rear because it's the engine's in the back.
Right. Okay.
So I think it's like, don't quote me on this, but I think it's like 42, 58 maybe. So it's a lot of rear weight bias.
It's almost more difficult, I feel, with the 50-50.
Really?
Because it's so like once you lose it, it's very snappy.
I mean, this thing, once you lose it, you got to make sure you know how to bring it back. For me, I used to own a Sylvia S110,
Okay.
which is a Datsun 200SX.
Okay.
It's an S chassis, but that one was a rear-wheel drive. It was so easy to like bring it back if the rear end kicked out. It was just super easy. But
so this one, do you hold a little bit of throttle when you lose the rear, or you just counter steer?
You gotta kind of hold, yeah, a little bit of throttle. You have to. If you let go of the throttle, if like fully, let's say if you're flooring it and you let go of the throttle, like it completely without like feathering it, then
Right.
you will lose it. So
You'll get that TTO.
yeah.
I just realized he's got this clear like splitter on the back.
I think that's your factory.
Interesting.
I think. You run second heat?
I ran in the first heat,
First heat, cool.
and then I worked the second.
Awesome. So you're
I'm
sticking
just-
around just to see other people's cars?
Yeah, now I'm just riding along, seeing how people attack this thing. Every time you're turning, you're feeling it just step out.
Yeah, man.
It feels good though. It's a good feel. Like it feels like it's turning. It's doing a lot of the turning for you.
Yeah, definitely. It took me a lot of practice to try to like keep it in check, because when it kicks out, I'm still on the throttle. I always got scared and I'll let off the throttle.
And you just get more. Yeah.
I'll get more. I wouldn't completely spin, but it will like, I'll have to slow down speed and then drop down a gear or something. So.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Interesting. Well, thanks for the ride. That was awesome.
No problem, man.
That was a lot of fun.
Yo, man, good luck with everything, man. If you're gonna, yeah, you got it.
Oh yeah, let me get your info just in case.
Do you have Facebook?
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely add me on that. Are you on the Philly SCCA website?
I don't know that I am yet.
Well, if you add me on Facebook, I'll invite you to all the SCCA groups, so you'll know when the events are.
Yeah, just throw your name in there.
All right.
But yeah, definitely trying to kind of meet more people.
Definitely.
Learn a little more about what goes into it.
This is me. That's my Datsun right there.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Look at that.
It was an 82.
That's badass. Look at those mirrors. That's sick.
Yeah, man.
That's so cool. Well,
And
thanks again. I appreciate it.
your
Brad.
name?
Brad Shaner. Yeah.
Got it, man.
Yep.
Hey, man, it was nice meeting you, man. Take care, all right?
Nice to meet you too. You too. Drive safe.
You too. Thank you. gave someone a ride in autocross. Hands a bit shaky right now because man, that was a crazy run. Whew.